right, you guys want to see something crazy? This car was misfiring. I smell fuel. I took the plug out, and if you can see in here, let's see if we can see together. Come on. Can you guys see it? You see that? Look at that. All the fuel is filling up in the cylinder, meaning that, you see it? That means that the fuel injector is stuck open. It said number 1 and number 4. That's number 1. And number 4 I didn't take off yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same way. It's just pouring out of there. So what I'm going to have to do, well, the car is off. That's just the pressure, the residual pressure that's in the system. But when you have something like this, not only you got to replace the fuel injector, you have to replace the oil too. Crazy.